welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the cosmos to uncover some of the most mind-blowing facts about space. From the sheer size of our sun to the existence of diamond planets, the universe is full of wonders that will leave you breathless. Buckle up, because this is going to be an astronomical journey. Just imagine the vast cosmic ocean we find ourselves adrift in. It's an ocean filled not with water, but with swirling galaxies, shimmering nebulae, and the faint echo of the Big Bang itself. Within this ocean, on our little island Earth, we've dared to look up and question our place in the grand scheme of things. And what nothing short of extraordinary. Prepare to have your mind blown wide open, as we explore 10 space facts that are sure to leave you in awe of the universe we call home. Our journey begins with a star we know well, the Sun. This fiery ball of plasma, the heart of our solar system, is far more colossal than we often realize. Picture this: if the Sun were a hollow sphere, you could fit over 1 million Earths inside of it. That's how mind-bogglingly large our local star truly is. But the Sun's size isn't just an impressive statistic, it's the very reason for our existence. This massive celestial furnace fuses hydrogen into helium at its core, unleashing a torrent of energy that bathes our planet in life-giving light and warmth. Without the Sun's immense gravitational pull, the Earth and all the other planets would spin off into the cold void of space. The Sun is a giant, a powerhouse, and the ultimate source of energy for life as we know it. And yet, on a cosmic scale, our Sun is just an average-sized star, a single point of light amidst billions upon billions of others. Think about that for a moment. If our Sun, which dwarfs our planet, is just one of countless stars scattered across the cosmos, imagine the sheer scale and grandeur of the universe we inhabit. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring thought, isn't it? But our cosmic journey has just begun. Let's push further into the universe's depths and uncover more of its secrets. When we look up at the night sky, we see a smattering of stars, a celestial tapestry woven across the darkness. But what we see with our naked eyes is just a tiny fraction of the stars that actually exist. In fact, there are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Imagine that for a moment. Every grain of sand on every beach, from the windswept dunes of the Sahara to the sun-kissed shores of the Caribbean, represents a star, a blazing ball of gas burning billions of light-years away. It's a number so vast, so incomprehensibly large, that it defies our ability to truly grasp its magnitude. And these stars are not just scattered randomly throughout the universe. They're clustered together in vast swirling galaxies, each containing billions, even trillions of stars. Our own Milky Way galaxy, a barred spiral of stars and gas, is just one of these cosmic islands, adrift in the vast ocean of space. And within these galaxies, new stars are constantly being born, bursting into existence from collapsing clouds of gas and dust. These stellar nurseries are some of the most beautiful and awe-inspiring sights in the universe, places where the raw materials of the cosmos are transformed into brilliant points of light. The universe is a symphony of stars, a cosmic ballet of light and energy that has been playing out for billions of years. And we, here on Earth, are fortunate enough to witness this grand performance from our own little corner of the cosmos. Our cosmic voyage now takes us to our neighbor Venus, a planet shrouded in mystery and a rather peculiar sense of time. On Venus, a day, the time it takes for the planet to rotate on its axis, is longer than its year, the time it takes to orbit the Sun. Imagine waking up on Venus. As the Sun slowly rises in the west, yes, west, you'd have ample time to soak in the sunrise, because it would take an agonizingly long time for the Sun to traverse the sky. In fact, it would take 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one rotation. However, it zips around the Sun at a much faster pace, completing an orbit in just 225 Earth days. This means that a year on Venus is actually shorter than a day on Venus. Why does Venus have such a bizarre day-night cycle? It's likely due to a cataclysmic collision in the planet's distant past. This impact, scientists theorize, sent Venus spinning in the opposite direction to most planets in our solar system, a retrograde rotation that has resulted in its unusually long days and short years. Venus, despite being our closest planetary neighbor, remains a world of enigma. Its thick, toxic atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest land, hidden beneath a perpetually cloudy sky. And yet, despite its inhospitable nature, Venus continues to captivate our imagination, reminding us of the strange and wonderful diversity of worlds that exist beyond our own. Imagine a celestial object so dense that a teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons. That, my friends, is a neutron star, one of the most extreme and fascinating objects in the universe. These stellar remnants are born from the explosive deaths of massive stars, and they spin at mind-boggling speeds. How fast, you ask? Some neutron stars, known as pulsars, can rotate up to 600 times per second. Picture a city-sized object, denser than an atomic nucleus, spinning faster than the blades of a kitchen blender. It's hard to even fathom such speeds, isn't it? These dizzying rotations are a result of the conservation of angular momentum. When a massive star collapses in on itself during a supernova, its core shrinks dramatically, but its rotational speed increases exponentially, like a figure skater pulling their arms in during a spin. As these neutron stars spin, they emit beams of radiation, magnetic poles. These beams sweep across space like cosmic lighthouses, and if Earth happens to lie in the path of one of these beams, we detect a pulse of radiation with each rotation, hence the name pulsar. Neutron stars are a testament to the universe's ability to create objects of unimaginable density and power. They are cosmic laboratories where the laws of physics are pushed to their extremes. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, they say. But what about a whole planet made of diamonds? That's right, in the constellation of Cancer, about 40 light-years from Earth, orbits 55 Cancri e, a planet twice the size of Earth with a rather dazzling composition. This super-Earth, as astronomers call it, orbits its host star, 55 Cancri, at an incredibly close distance. In fact, it whips around its star in just 18 hours. This proximity to its star means that 55 Cancri e is incredibly hot, with surface temperatures estimated to be around 3,900 degrees Fahrenheit. But here's what makes this planet truly remarkable. Scientists believe that 55 Cancri e is composed primarily of pure crystallized carbon. Under the immense pressure and heat deep within the planet, this carbon has likely formed a giant diamond structure. Imagine the sparkle. This celestial diamond is estimated to be worth a staggering 26.9 nonillion. That's a 26 followed by 30 zeros. While we can't exactly hop over to 55 Cancri e and mine its riches, the discovery of this diamond planet has sparked our imaginations, reminding us that the universe is full of wonders beyond our wildest dreams. Our stop takes us to the rusty plains of Mars, home to the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons. This colossal mountain dwarfs even the largest volcanoes on Earth. In fact, it's so massive that if you were standing on its summit, the base of the volcano would extend beyond the horizon. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano, similar in shape to the volcanoes that formed the Hawaiian Islands. However, unlike Earth's volcanoes, which are limited in size by the movement of tectonic plates, Olympus Mons was able to grow to its immense size because Mars lacks plate tectonics. This means that the crust remained stationary over a single hotspot, allowing lava to erupt and build up over billions of years, layer upon layer, until it formed this gargantuan mountain. To put its size into perspective, Olympus Mons is about 3 times taller than Mount Everest and has a base diameter that's roughly the size of the state of Arizona. That's one seriously big volcano. While Olympus Mons is thought to be long extinct, its presence on the Martian surface is a testament to the powerful geological forces that have shaped our solar system. In the vacuum of space, no one can hear you scream. That's not just a tagline from a classic sci-fi horror film, it's a fundamental truth about the nature of sound. You see, sound, unlike light, which is an electromagnetic wave, is a mechanical wave. It needs a medium to travel through, something to vibrate. On Earth, that medium is air. When we speak, our vocal cords vibrate, causing the air molecules around us to vibrate, which in turn causes the air molecules next to them to vibrate, and so on, creating a wave of pressure that travels through the air until it reaches our ears. But in the vacuum of space, there is no air, no gas, no medium for sound waves to travel through. It's a completely silent realm. So the next time you're watching a space battle scene in a movie and you hear lasers blasting and explosions booming, remember that it's all for dramatic effect. In reality, those events would occur in complete and utter silence. While it might seem eerie at first, this silence is also a reminder of the vastness and emptiness of space, a realm where even the most fundamental laws of physics can seem alien and counterintuitive. In 1969, Neil Armstrong took one small step for man and one giant leap for mankind when he became the first human to set foot on the moon. His iconic footprint, etched into the lunar dust, became a symbol of human achievement and our insatiable thirst to explore the cosmos. But here's a fascinating fact. Those footprints and the tracks left by the Apollo astronauts' lunar rover are still there on the moon, virtually unchanged after all these years. In fact, they're likely to remain there for millions of years to come. Why? Because the moon has no atmosphere to speak of. On Earth, wind and rain would quickly erode any footprints left in the sand or soil. But on the moon there's no wind to blow them away, no rain to wash them out, and no geological activity to bury them. The only thing that can erase those footprints is the constant bombardment of micrometeoroids, tiny particles of space dust that rain down on the lunar surface. But even at that rate, it would take millions of years for those footprints to be completely erased. So, in a way, those footprints on the moon are like time capsules, preserving a moment in human history for eons to come. We began our cosmic journey by discussing the immense size of our sun. Now let's revisit our local star and grasp its truly mind-boggling scale from a different perspective. Imagine, if you will, that the sun were a giant empty container. How many Earths do you think you could fit inside? The answer is a staggering 1 million. That's right, you could fit 1 million Earths inside the sun. Let that sink in for a moment. Our planet, which seems so vast and enormous to us, is nothing more than a speck compared to the sheer volume of our sun. This incredible size difference highlights the immense forces at play within our star. The sun's core, where nuclear fusion takes place, is a raging inferno with temperatures reaching 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat and pressure are what allow the sun to fuse hydrogen into helium, releasing the energy that sustains all life on Earth. The sun is a cosmic powerhouse that dominates our solar system. And yet, as we've seen, it's just one of countless stars scattered throughout the vast expanse of the universe. Our final cosmic curiosity takes us on a journey to the constellation of Aquila, the Eagle, where astronomers have made a rather intoxicating discovery: a giant cloud of alcohol. This interstellar cloud, known as G34.3, is a massive reservoir of ethanol, the same type of alcohol found in your favorite adult beverages. And when we say massive, we mean truly enormous. This cloud is so vast that it contains enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. That's enough to quench the thirst of every person on Earth for billions of years. But before you start planning your next intergalactic pub crawl, let's be clear. This alcohol isn't exactly drinkable. It's spread out over a region of space about 1,000 times larger than our solar system, and exists in extremely low concentrations. So, how did this cosmic cocktail come to be? Scientists believe that this alcohol cloud formed in the cold, dark depths of interstellar space, where simple molecules like carbon monoxide and hydrogen can react on the surfaces of dust grains to form more complex organic molecules, including ethanol. The discovery of this giant alcohol cloud is just one example of the amazing and unexpected things that we're finding in the universe. It's a reminder that the cosmos is full of surprises, and that the more we explore, the more we realize how much we still have to learn about the universe we call home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts about space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Our journey through the cosmos has just begun. There are countless more wonders out there waiting to be discovered, from black holes that warp space and time to galaxies that collide in spectacular displays of cosmic energy. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and we've only just scratched the surface of its secrets. But by continuing to explore, to question, and to marvel at the wonders of the cosmos, we can unlock the universe's mysteries and gain a deeper appreciation for our place in the grand scheme of things. See you